Hello, I'm Andrew, a service technician here with 5 Star Doors. And a broken garage door torsion spring is one of the most common service calls over the life of your garage door. A garage door torsion spring is what creates a counterbalance for the weight of your door, allowing it to operate easily. Improper balance of your garage door can put additional stress on both your garage door and garage door opener. It is the policy of 5 Star Doors that we will weigh your garage door, and by weighing your door we can reference the pair of springs that have been engineered to lift the weight of your particular door. We only use oil-tempered wire from Service Spring Corporation, and all of our springs carry a minimum of 12,000 cycles. In stock we carry springs for a 40-pound door up to a 400-pound door. Improper spring balance is not only unsafe but extremely dangerous. See why Angie's List, Home Advisor, Google, and Yelp have all given us 5 stars for our spring replacement. So if you have a broken spring and you need it serviced today, call the professionals. Call 5 Star Doors.